Hello, my name is Sky from Jaguar Crewe, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used Jaguar. We are delighted to bring you this 23-plate Jaguar XF R Dynamic Black with a 2-litre 204 bhp diesel engine and coming in the Jaguar grey colour, which is enhanced by the black exterior pack, which includes the black mesh grille with surround side vents and window surrounds. We also have the heat insulated privacy glass adding to the look of the car as well as the security, and the 20-inch satin black with gloss black insert alloys, with the red brake calipers really adding to the exterior and finishing off this car beautifully. Ensuring maximum vision of the road at all times, we have the Jaguar LED headlights with signature daytime running lights and automatic headlight activation. Moving on to the interior of the car in the back, we have 3 full-size seats with a pull-down armrest in the middle and built-in cup holders and ISOFIX points on the outside seats. When moving on to the interior, we're greeted by the ebony leather upholstery pairing perfectly with the ebony headlining. Brightening up the cabin of the car and getting you ready for those summer months ahead of us, we have the sliding panoramic sunroof. Ensuring maximum comfort at all times, we have the heated electric front seats, and just underneath the seats we have the R Dynamic branded door sill trims. On the dash we have the black leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel with paddle shift, helping to increase the performance of the drive. The steering wheel is also heated for maximum comfort, with the multifunction helping you safely and easily control the adaptive cruise control, as well as the interactive driver display screen giving you everything you need for long or short journeys right in your peripheral. On the centre of the dash we have the impressive touchscreen, featuring the likes of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as Bluetooth connectivity, so you can always listen to your favourite playlist. We also have satellite navigation for all of those unknown roads, DAB digital radio and other car settings. The touchscreen also displays the rear parking camera, helping you with all those sticky parking situations. And we also have the 3-way heated seats controls. And helping to create a chilled setting in the evening, we also have the cabin lighting. Just underneath we have the dual climate controls function, ensuring both you and your front seat passenger are always comfortable, as well as the automatic gear stick with the electronic parking brake, the stop-start button, and the cup holders which can be hidden for when you're not using them, keeping your car looking sleek and stylish. This car comes with a minimum of 1 year's manufacturer's warranty and 1 year's roadside assistance and much more. For more information on this vehicle or to book a test drive, please call us on 01270 864408 or inquire online now. Thank you.